While part of the appeal of store-bought pasta is how quick and easy it is to prepare, homemade pasta is so much more delicious and not as complicated as it might seem. There are many products available to choose from Best Pasta Maker, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices to help you make a perfect decision. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pasta makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid 3-piece pasta roller and cutter set. If you already own a KitchenAid stand mixer, this attachment set is an easy answer for homemade pasta. Use the mixer to whip up the homemade pasta dough, and then use the pasta attachments to roll the dough thin and cut it into noodles. The set comes with a 6-inch roller that produces flat sheets of pasta that can be used to make lasagna, or you can cut or form the sheets into other shapes by hand. It also comes with 2 cutters for slicing the dough into strips of spaghetti or fettuccine. Cutters for other shapes, including a ravioli attachment, are available separately. Attaching the roller and cutters to the stand mixer is more difficult than using a traditional, hand-cranked pasta maker, but you'll gain the flexibility of having both hands free to feed and catch the pasta, while the mixer's motor does all the cranking for you. We were pleased with how quick and easy it was to use this pasta maker, especially compared with a hand crank process. In fact, it was so fast that we had some trouble keeping up with the cutters, as they churned out piles of noodles. Placing a tray under the machine to catch the pasta helps with this. After using a rack to dry the pasta for a few hours, we made fettuccine alfredo, and it was absolutely delicious. Number 2. Pasta Maker Deluxe Set 5-piece Steel Machine. This pasta machine includes a wide variety of cutters at an affordable price, so it's great for those who want to make many kinds of pasta right off the bat, without having to order extra attachments. The included cutters make spaghetti, fettuccine, angel hair, lasagna, which is ribbon pasta, or slightly thinner lasagna, and ravioli that the maker fills and seals, though the shells are on the smaller side. The design of this maker is user-friendly, and while the noodles didn't come out as precisely cut as other makers on this list, some required separation by hand, the end results were delicious. Another thing to note, this machine is not as sturdy as some of the others we tested. On smooth surfaces, it tended to slide during use, but it's made in Italy from chrome-plated stainless steel, so it's best to have another person there to stabilize the base while you turn the handle. Nevertheless, it got the job done, so we didn't think this was a deal-breaker. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Tabletop Spiralizer. Spiralizers are used to cut produce into long, pasta-like strands. They're a great gadget for anyone who is trying to eat more vegetables or can't eat regular pasta for dietary reasons. While soft produce like tomatoes can't be turned into pasta, there's plenty that can. Zucchini noodles, sometimes called zoodles, are probably the most popular veggie pasta, but you can also spiralize carrots, cucumbers, or even potatoes to make curly or shoestring-style French fries in mere seconds. The OXO Tabletop Spiralizer includes 3 cutting blades to create thin spaghetti, thicker fettuccine, and wide ribbon noodles. A storage case is included to safely stash the blades, and it attaches to the spiralizer to save space. A large suction cup on the bottom of the stabilizer grips countertops and provides extra support while turning the crank. We found the spiralizer sturdy and both easy to use and clean. All parts are dishwasher safe, but the blade storage box should be washed by hand. There are cheaper spiralizers out there, including many handheld options, but they often don't work nearly as well. The 3 blades, spaghetti, fettuccine, and ribbon, performed well with softer veggies, such as cucumbers, and extra firm produce, including potatoes. The manual crank and side handle fit comfortably in hand, and we never felt like we were having to use force to get tougher vegetables spiralized. Number 4. Philips Pasta and Noodle Maker Plus. If you want homemade pasta with minimal effort, this electric model is the way to go. All you have to do is measure the flour and water for a single or double batch of pasta, throw the ingredients into the machine, and watch while it takes over. It automatically mixes and kneads the dough, and extrudes it through one of the included dies to make your choice of spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, or tube-shaped pen. We gave this pasta maker a glowing review for its simple and fast operation. The included plastic scraper makes cutting the pasta fun and easy as it comes out of the machine, and the whole process only takes about 10 to 15 minutes total. And LED display counts down the time and the machine automatically shuts off after each batch of pasta. It will also automatically shut off if it begins to overheat, and it won't operate if the lid isn't securely attached. There's even a serving size button that allows you to choose between making a single and double batch, as well as a program button that signals the machine to mix, knead, and extrude dough or just extrude pre-made dough. The machine comes with measuring cups for dry and liquid ingredients, a recipe book, and cleaning tools. Even better, all of the accessories and detachable parts are dishwasher safe, unlike manual steel machines. On the downside, the machine is bulky and heavy, but it features a built-in storage drawer for the dies and other accessories. You can purchase additional dies to make even more pasta shapes. Number 5. Mercato Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. This popular manual machine is from an Italian company that's been crafting them for generations. It's made from sleek chrome-plated steel, features a removable crank handle that makes storage easier, and is available in 7 colors. Beyond its looks, it performs exceptionally well. You can roll sheets of dough to 10 different thicknesses, and the included dual-sided. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.